Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play this challenge. So wheel picks the type of player I'm going to be on Dress to Impress. So let's just spin the wheel. Hopefully I get something good. Oh my gosh, I am the worst overdresser, but let's do this. The theme is freestyle. Okay, that's actually good. But that's just a little bit more confusing. How am I... Okay, I mean, I'll try to be like the most overdressed person ever. Here's my outfit. Okay, she's giving ice cream, but not really, kind of. I don't know. That apple was supposed to be toggled to the raw and to the core one, but I did not have time, so we're just gonna see the result soon. This is a horrible outfit, by the way. Okay, let's see the results. Again, I'm not hoping to get podium, but at least I did the challenge. And yeah, once again, I don't know why this person keeps getting it, even though they did not change the theme. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.